36 years this year Camden has been open for business and in this industry. And I'm joined with John. John, you must have been a mere whippersnapper when you first joined.
Yes, it seems it's been a long time, but it's flew by. We're still going very strong. We're getting stronger every year. I've done every fit show with Camden here. We're always constantly moving in innovation. We're constantly looking to invest and reinvest in both people, machinery, products. I'll take you as a walk through the stands here today and I'll show you what we're all about.
Yeah, let's, because actually I noticed this when I came in. Now, I don't know if you're watching and you're thinking to yourself, when you want a new window, new door, new anything, it's actually quite handy to be able to go online and to be able to get a quote. But quite a lot of companies are a little bit standoffish about doing online quotes because everybody needs something so specific, don't they? Whereas actually you guys have developed Quote You.
Yeah, we've developed Quote You here. Keith's going to give us a bit of a demo on it here. Very, very user-friendly, touch of a button, very easy to use. As I say, it's all about people want simple, they want speed, they don't want to wait on anything, everybody wants everything now. So we'll give you a quick demo on that.
Well, okay, so I'd like some grey UV, no I'm joking, you just take us through it, sorry.
Bay, because I think the bay is the hardest thing that you could price online, and QU is really, really intelligent and helps the installer or the surveyor to choose. Yeah. So this is a typical bay window. Obviously you'd start by picking your glazing options. So if you went into the glazing, it's nice and simple, double or triple. You went into colours, you could change the colours of the frames. If you went into side windows, as you can see, it's all changing along as we go. Centre windows, all the way through to picking your knock-ons and things like that, handles and everything. At the end of this will give you a guaranteed instant price. So if you was a retail business and you wanted to go into your clients, you could sit with your customer and build their windows.
And also when you're putting a project together, you're actually a little bit more aware of the costings behind that project as well, especially for architects if they're working with a client. I mean, that's just an amazing tool, isn't it? Are there comments box and drop downs and maybe a chat that you can have a conversation as well with Camden?
We've very much made it very user-friendly. We've made it preempting the options as you go along. You can click your type of glass, your handles, whether it's double glazed, triple glazed, when you need bay posts for your bays. You know, it's very much click as you go along. It's child's play.
It's so easy to use, but what happens at the end of it is you email Camden immediately with a quote, it turns into a quotation which is valid, and then it will also go to the machines in the factory floor. Yeah. So we're saving carbon and everything else by doing that.
Fantastic. Right, okay, so that's one law, the press of the button. Thank you very much, Keith. Right, so that's one of your launches here, but you've also got a brand new door system.
Yeah, we've got a brand new twin rebate 70mm double rebate composite door. High energy efficient.
Which is also in Camden Green as well, very nice.
Keep them with the colours, yeah. Camden Green. So what we have here is a 70mm double rebated composite door with a 50mm triple glazed glass unit. Low U values as low as basically 0.8. You can see they're very, very smooth and very solid locking. Okay. Very, very high secure products as well.
What's the reaction been from people coming here on the stand?
Very, 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 very good. Very positive. You find a lot of the industry at the moment are still going with a lot of a single 44mm single rebated door. It's only got one seal on it. I think people are ready. People want something more. They want more secure for their home. They want more that's more energy efficient and more. It's basically they're looking to the next stage now. So they're.
So behind me, I can see you got your 36 years training, your 15-year guarantee, 5-day turnaround. But this, to me, is very, very interesting, and it's such a hot topic, I think, here at the show, as well as in the greater world as well. So tell us a little bit about your recycling point.
Basically, we're the only Priestley company in the British Isles who are currently doing 3 or 4 different processes. A lot of different companies are taking old windows out. A lot of companies are recycling product. A lot of people are producing raw materials. A lot of people are extruding, manufacturing, fitting. We're doing it all. At Camden, we're doing it all under one roof here. We're pulling out the old window. We are munching it down into, let's call it regrind. We're pumping it back through the extruder and we're making it into bar length. and that's creating our own raw material for our manufacturing plant. We cut it up, we weld it, we put it through the process, we make it into a finished product, and in certain projects we go out and we fit it as well. So not only are we taking your old window out, we're putting your brand new window in with 80% of the old content.
Blimey, one-stop shop.
Ticking all the boxes for the green people of the world.
I'm going to go round there in a minute and I'm going to just go and grab him, but I've just got a couple of questions to ask you about the Fit Show because we're here, it's 2019, it's been going second year here at the NEC. Now, why do you think that this is a show to come to?
Listen, this is the flagship of our industry. Everybody, you know, it's happening every 2 years at the moment. It used to be, I think there was talk this week of maybe doing it maybe once every year. I'm not sure about that. I think there's a lot of preparation goes into this, a lot of energy and a lot of excitement goes in from everybody that's in the industry. This is where you want to be. Any of the big players like yourselves, Camden, are basically one of the biggest companies and manufacturers in the whole of the British Isles. This is where you want to be. This is where we come when it comes to see us.
It's where networking happens, isn't it?
Exactly. This is where it is. This is where it happens.
Right, well, thank you so much, John. And I'm going to just come around here before I sign off and see if I can maybe just interrupt for 1 second. Gents, we're just live. I'm just going to interrupt you for 1 second because what I would like to do is just have a little look at this. So we're talking about recycling. Now, we're talking about Camden having 80% recycling point, which is fantastic. But what they've actually also brought in is this. Now, Keith, tell us a little bit about it.
Right, Thermos L is an 100% recycled product which is carbon neutral. This is Thermos L. Thermos L works on convection, so basically everybody has a radiator virtually in front of their window.
Which has always confused me, I'm not going to lie.
Yeah. Cold air comes in through the glaze unit, meets the convection throws it into the room. That's how it works, yeah? So I've took it a step further. This is a cold spot in the room, obviously when it's ambient temperature goes below outside. What we basically do is we want to throw more heat at the window to bounce it off quicker. Thermos L, this is it, actually does that. I've removed this because it's just a test bed. Thermos L takes the convection and part of the air, puts it through the Thermos L unit out through the grill. It's fully adjustable from 150mm to 250mm, so it fits any size. The actual grill as well fits MDF, plastic, conglomerate, tiled, whatever you want to do. We've got tests from Salford University which prove that Thermos L warms a room quicker, it turns the thermostatic radiator down quicker in the room and saves energy.
Well, sold, and it's recycled as well.